Today we're going to ready Excite Explore motorcycle VRL battery to install in our bike. After opening the package, there is seen that the battery has two parts. In one part there is the acid water and the other part is the battery itself. As we have to work with acid water, so we have to be very careful as acid is a very corrosive material. We're going to open the tube and then we are going to pour down the water into the battery box. It's a Drycell battery, so you don't need to pour down water the next time. As we are working with acid water, so we'll need to keep a water bucket with us. It's very important because if somehow acid water touches our skin, then we will need to rinse our skin again and again using this water. I'm opening the stopper of the acid water bottle. Don't make any pour or leakage in the metallic cover of the bottle. But we'll need to open the metallic cover of the main battery part. We will pour down acid water through those pores. Now I'm going to attaching the bottle with the main battery part. Match them properly and then smoothly press the bottle on the battery, but never press the bottle forcefully. It's a smooth and time-consuming process, so take time. Acid water is entering into the main battery part. You have to wait. Knock the backside of the bottle to contain the distilling process. Make sure that you are pouring down all the water into the battery part, otherwise the final battery will be a problematic one. Now it's done. We're going to take off the bottle from the main battery part. Now I'm going to turn off the pour of the main battery part using the stopper of the bottle. Press down the back part of the stopper and make sure that they are attached firmly. Congratulations, our battery is ready for installing.